Good evening, traders, and welcome to my YouTube page. Right, guys, some of you they are familiar with the voice, and some of you they might not know, but most of you guys you know me from the previous company that I was with, and this is just to announce to you guys that now I have moved and I am working with Elot Wave Focused. If you have liked my work, this is where you're gonna be following me now. Alright, so guys, just to show you what is L12 focused all about here. So we've got like a lot of things taking place here with L12 focus. So just starting with the instruments that we are tracking here. So we've got about 78 instruments that we are looking at or we are charting every day. But before that, just to give you an idea, who is Elo12 Focused? We are a group of analysts. We are about 12 analysts that are tracking all these instruments. So we run like 24 hours. So every session from London to Asia and back to London. There's going to be people that will be working on these charts and people that you can always chat to. So it doesn't really matter where you are, whatever session you are trading, there's always somebody that is there just to give you a guidance in the markets. So you can always chat to us here, right down here. So I'm trying to get a pen here just to show you here. So you can always chat to us here all the time. So if you need somebody that is going to be there here, let me just have this one here. So you can always like have someone that is going to be able to assist you down here. So just hold me, guys. I'm just trying to work on something here. So I don't know, my pen just disappears when I have to work on this screen for whatever reason. But let me see if I can figure out here because I'm trying to show you here. But then, nevertheless, I am looking at this top corner here. You can always come and chat to us. Like I've said, it 24 hours. Somebody is there to attend to you guys if you've got any questions. Right. So back here, we are looking at 7, 8 instruments that we are tracking. Obviously, when you decide to join us here or start our trial, because we've got a 14-day trial that you can pay as little as less than $1 a year, just to experience our services and how we do our work. So you will be obviously, when you decide to take up on any of the plans, you're going to be coming in here to choose which group that you want to join. Because for example, group 3 is all about stocks and ETFs. So if you are into stock trading, then you can sign up on group 3. So obviously, if you are looking at trading the cryptocurrencies as well, then you can also sign up on a group 2 here. And obviously, if you are just into forex, then you can just forex and the commodities. Some of the commodities, the most traded ones, obviously gold. I'm referring to gold, silver and oil. Then you will look to subscribe on the group 1. All right, so those are the instruments that we cover here, and you can always obviously look at our pricing or the plans that we have there on the web site. And also, if you look at the education, we've got a lot of educational content for somebody that is new to Elliott Wave or somebody that is looking to study the Elliott Wave. I would recommend that you can look at some of these here. Like I've said it, a lot of information on these educational content that you can just subscribe, and you can also do the one-on-one training. So you can just come on the live chat here, and then you can buy that, or you can just subscribe to that on the web site. And then obviously you're gonna have an analyst that is going to spend time with you. And then obviously we've got people that don't want to be in the group when we are teaching the Elliott Wave. They prefer to be on the one-on-one. Or if you purchase any of these here and there's something that is not clear, then you can always come and purchase this one-on-one here. Obviously, guys, I'm gonna drop below here. There's going to be some links that you can use here. Obviously, that will be giving you some discount. So if you can click on that, if you, I'm gonna be leaving here below for the trial, and also for any content that you want to purchase. I'm gonna be leaving that one here as well down here, so you can just click on those links, and then it will take you directly to this website. But most importantly, guys, for somebody that wants to try out the service here, please come here, and then you can start that 14-day trial. Like I've said, it's less than $1 here. So the link will be below. You can use that link just to try out our services or what we have there. Again, I'm gonna repeat this one. Yeah, we do our chart updates 4 times in a 24 hours. That would be Asian session, London session, New York session when it's opening, and also mid New York. So that's how how often we update our charts. 24-hour support. Somebody's always there around the clock, just to give you the updates, the heads up what is happening on the market, and also happy to attend to your question. You can always ask as many questions as you want. If there's anything that is unclear, then somebody will always be there. So our session, I think I mentioned this one. We've got 5 sessions every single day. 2 live trading rooms, 2 live sessions, that 3 live sessions rather, and 2 live trading room every day. We've got those 5 live sessions where will be our analyst will be taking you through the markets. Right, so I'm just gonna show you a few of the instruments that we have been looking at here, or that we have been trading. Again, just to show you, we are all about the blue boxes and buying and selling the blue boxes in the direction of a trend. So I'm just gonna show you some few here, like you can see here on AMD. We were looking at this one that it should hit the blue box, and then from here the expectation was the price that it should make a move to the up side. And obviously this has made one of the biggest rally here. This is where in the blue box, and this has rallied all the way to the up side here. And obviously what's next to come here, that will be inside the members area. While I'm still here, guys, I'm also gonna share you a link that you can follow me on the social media pages. There's a lot of charts that we share there, the recent updates, our ideas. You can just follow me as that as well. That will be on your LinkedIn and also on X, formerly known as Twitter. So those are the two platforms that I am working on. As soon as I'm up and running as well on a Facebook, and then I'll also share that one there as well. All right, so just to give you another one here that we have been looking at, it was IWA, or let's have a look at Amazon here. So this was an Amazon chart. The expectation was for the price to hit the blue box, and from there we were expecting that this should make a move to the up side. And you'll see that a few days or couple of days later here, this has made a big move to the up side here on Amazon. And again, I want to show you another one here. That would be your S&P 500. Indices are here, so we have been looking at the indices. Most of the people, they've been looking at the indices that they will drop all the way, but we have been saying this during the live session, that the price should eventually make a move to the upside once it hit the blue box. And you will see that this has made one of the biggest moves to the upside here. Now the big question is where to from here, and that would be inside the members area. And then just the last one here to show you people's favorites, that would be on Nasdaq here. So we were looking at Nasdaq, that again it should hit the blue box, and then from there the expectation was for the price that it should make a move to the upside. And if you have been following Nasdaq, hopefully you are not shorting this. You'd see that we've made one of the biggest rallies to the upside here on your Nasdaq. So this is just to show you guys that the concept is the same as the one that we've had here. We are all about trading the blue boxes here as well with Elliott Wave Focus. So once again, guys, if you love the content, please do make sure that you follow on the social media here, retweet as much as you can to share our content that we have. Like I've indicated, the link will be below. There will be a trial link below. There will be a subscription link below. There will be social media pages link below them. Alright, guys, from my side, that's all that I wanted to give the heads up that now I am working with Elotwave Forecast, and should see you guys soon just to share some free content. Alright, cheers everybody, and have a good one. Bye bye.